everybody. It is Saturday, June 13th. So we're going to head out today, and I'm going to put up a couple new cameras, put up a mock scrape, do a mineral site, just kind of do some maintenance on a couple of our farms. So I thought I'd kind of show you what all I was going to have in my bag today. So first thing is scent eliminator, because in June in Kentucky you're going to need some scent eliminator because it is hot. So my kids steal my bottles. I don't know where all my bottles go, so I had to go get this white bottle. But you just mix this little one with 20 ounces of water, and you got your scent eliminator. And then I'm going to have the Tactacam Fish-I. It's got this really neat time-lapse feature on it, so I'm going to wear it as a head mount and kind of wear it the whole time, so you can kind of do a little quick video of like everything I've done today. So that should be kind of neat. I'm going to put out a mock scrape with Pure Whitetail Bachelor Group. So it's a mixture of several of their deer put together, kind of like what Bachelor Groups are running around now. I'm going to hang this flex wick in a tree and kind of dip the flex wick in the deer pee, and then put some on the ground to kind of make a mock scrape. I'm also going to refresh our mineral site. We've been using Pure Whitetail's Full Throttle, and the deer have been tearing it up. So I'm going to refresh one site, and then I'm going to create another one at my farm at my parents' house. Of course, I got SD cards. Can't go anywhere without them. Got camera to put up. We got batteries. Got these little handy things in case I need to clear some limbs. And then I got my scraper to put the mineral better into the ground. So all this is going to go in my bag, and we're going to go check on a couple of farms. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're at the first spot of the day, which is my parents' house. Last year we had a good setup here. Bucks came, but they weren't coming in frequently like they were the year before, so not sure why. They changed the pattern a little bit. Hopefully this year we can see what we got on camera. Last year we had a nice deer drop tine. I think he was like a 10 or 11 point, and they found him dead on a neighbor's fence line. Not really sure. He was too decomp to really tell what happened. If he was shot, if he was tried to be poached, if he was hit by a car. But our good friend has the head on that, and it was a nice deer. So hopefully he passed on his genes. And we had some other nice bucks in here, so we're going to set up a couple cameras today. I'm going to do a mock scrape on one with some Pure Whitetail Bachelor Group. See what we got coming into it. And then the other spot, I'm going to do a mineral lick or mineral spot with the Pure Whitetail Full Throttle. Tongue tied there. So I'm going to get these two cameras set up, let them set out here for a couple weeks, and see what we got. Alright, so right at the spot at my parents' house that I think I'm going to put the mineral lick. As you can see, this is where I had it last year, and I think they're already kind of looking forward to getting this year. I'm a little late getting it out here than I'd like to be, just hadn't really had the time. This is a crossing between two fields. So there's that one, and then there's that one. This year's beans, last year's corn. I think that was some of my problem last year. They had so much food source. Of course they had food source for the beans too, but they had so much corn that they didn't have to come to any one specific spot to get some food. So that may have been some of the issue last year. And then we've got my double man stand right there. So we're going to get this mineral lick set out and get a camera put up. that spot up my parents set up. Now let's go to the other one. It's going to be across the field where I think they're going to be doing a lot of their crossing. As you can see, looks like they've already got a pretty good little trail coming through there. So let's go get that one set up. Alright, so I'm going to set up my Pure Whitetail mock scrape. I've got a bottle of Bachelor Group, so it's several different of their deer all in one bottle, so kind of like what your Bachelor Groups are hanging around this time of year. So I'm going to make a mock scrape, and I'm going to put a flex wick on one of these branches and kind of dip it in that as well, and then set a camera up on it. Changing plans, moving spot. The tree that I was going to put my camera on is covered in poison ivy, and I'm not doing that. Alright, so that's spot number 2 set up. Got the flex wick hanging there. I put some more on the ground and the camera right there. So hopefully we'll get an inventory of what bucks we got between this and the other spot. So now we're headed to our other farm in Simpsonia. So we are here at our farm in Simpsonia. This is the second full year for us to have this farm. It's about 80 acres. Got an open field here. And then a lot of woods. It's got a creek that runs through it. So it's really nice piece of property. I killed a couple does here last year. Derek killed his turkey here this spring. Had a really nice buck last year. And he just would not get out of the way of these little bitty trees so I could get a shot at him. And then last day of season, I came out and was hunting. And we had another nice buck come out. He didn't come close enough to me. So we're hoping he survived. We're not sure about the other one because that was in gun season. So hopefully we've got some bucks on camera here. We've already got our cameras out here. So I'm just going to go check them today. So hopefully we got some good growth in this last couple weeks. So I'm going to put out some more Pure Whitetail full throttle in a couple of our spots and go from there. We are at our back food plot here on the farm. We planted Pure Whitetail shady patch, no-till. So all we did was kind of scrape out the leaves and salt it down, and it looks really nice. It's coming along really good. And then I'll walk around here. And then this is our mineral site. So it started out as a little bitty, and as you can see, the deer have made a really good dent in it. So I'm going to refresh this mineral site, and then change the batteries in this camera because the batteries were dead last time I came out here, and I didn't have any, so no pictures here, but hopefully at our other camera. spot. As you can see in this back corner is where we have our clover field. This is the second year for this clover, and it is looking really good. I mowed it the other day. I got to get out of here with some grass killer and kill the grass out of it, but it's looking really good. There's a shooting house we built last year, and then over there's where we walked in. So this is kind of this big field right here. So we've got a small mineral lick kind of in the middle of the clover, not a huge one because the clover brings them in here, and they tend to stay in the woods a little more. And then our camera is right over in the corner. So I'm going to go check this camera, and it's the only camera that should have pictures on it because our other one was dead. So hopefully we got some good pictures. I'd like to see some babies. I'm waiting for some babies. I want to see my first ones of the year. So hopefully we'll get some good pictures. Today, hope you liked the video, and if you want to start filming your hunts but you don't want to get a really big expensive camera, I filmed all this today with the Tactacam 5.0 wide, and then I had the Fish-I on my head with the time lapse to kind of do a neat time lapse. But Tactacams are a great way to film anything really you want. So if you're looking for something to film, go to Tactacam.com, check them out. But thanks for following along today. We're going to have some more videos posting soon from our other team members on Hunting Faith, so you can check them out on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and you can go to our website, www.huntingfaithoutdoors.com. So thanks for watching. God bless.